showing you how to open 2 windows of Safari in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you just need to open your MacBook, and once you're there, just need to look down at the docs. And you need to find Safari. Just go ahead and open it, wait for it to load, and you should see your start page. So this is the first window. So if you want to open the second window, you just need to look at the top where you can see multiple options like Safari, File, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on File. Now you have options like New Personal Window, New Berry Window, New Private Window. So these are the options to get a new window. So it's completely your choice whether you want it private or personal or your accounts window. Just going to choose New Private Window. As you can see, there are 2 Safari windows open at the same time. So there you go, that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.